Hi guys. Sorry for my hi guys. We got this Snickers, and you know what Snickers is. Normally it's peanuts, but this
It
one is
usually
almond.
has peanuts, which is why me and Nathan don't eat Snickers. But this one doesn't, so I want to give it a try. Oh, hey Nathan,
Wait, let
it's
me
already separated.
bite it. Bite it first.
You gonna eat the everything. Oh.
I'll take this part.
Mm.
No, I'll take this back.
Crumb is
No, I
good
don't eat a
chocolate.
lot. There.
It is good.
Is edible?
Yeah,
Can I eat it?
it has almonds.
Where? Okay.
Isang subo lang yun ah.
So this is what Snickers would taste like.